Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily share your estimated time of arrival with other people using Apple Maps app. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also be sure to write your comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. And in order for you to share your arrival time with other people, for example, if you want to let someone know how long you're going to be, to use Apple Maps to do that, you'll need to first go into your phone settings and then scroll down. Find the Maps app. Tap on it. Now swipe down a little more, and you'll be able to see this feature right here. Share your estimated time of arrival. And if you don't have that active, you'll just have to click on that button to activate it. And then you can go to Apple Maps and share your estimated time of arrival. Friends, this is the very simple way you can share your arrival time with other people using Apple Maps. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.